All right, so our learning target is multiply 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. I'm going to find 932 times 6. So I'm going to multiply the ones. So I'm going to multiply the 6 times 2. And then I'm going to regroup. So the 2 is going to go here because 6 times 2 is 12. Put a 2 here, and then I'm going to regroup my 1. Then step 2, I'm going to multiply the tens and add any regroup numbers. So here I'm going to say 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 1, which is 19. So I'm going to say 9, regroup the 1. Then I'm going to go to my third step, which is multiply the hundreds and add any regrouped hundreds. So I'm going to say 6 times 9, which is 54, plus 1, which will give me my 55. And then I'm going to end up with 5,592 is for 932 times 6. All right, so let's look at number 1. I have 304 times 9. Okay, so I'm going to start again at my ones place. I'm going to say 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. So I'm going to put a 6. Carry my 3 to the top. Okay, I'm regrouping. I'm carrying my 3 to the top. 9 times 0 is 9, plus 3 is going to give me 12. So I'm going to put 2, regroup my 1 to the top. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. So my answer is 2,826. All right, let's go to the next one. I have 617 times 8. I'm going to say 8 times 7, which is 56. So I'm going to put my 6, carry or regroup my 5. Then I'm going to multiply 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5, right? Because I'm adding it. So I'm going to say 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is going to give me 13. I'm going to put my 3 down here, regroup my 1 to the top. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 1 will give me 49. So I have 4,936. All right, next one we have 939 times 4. Okay, just a reminder. This is written as let's look at this as we're doing it, and then we're going to compare it when we're looking at partial quotient or partial product. So here I'm going to say 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. So I'm going to put a 6, carry my 3 to the top. Well, here if I was doing this, I would say what? 4 times 9, if I was doing my partial product, 4 times 9 is 36. I'm still getting 36 here, except for I'm putting my 3 at the top instead of putting it here like this, which I'm going to add it up at the end. I'm actually saving myself a step by adding it when I get to that next step, because I'm doing the adding as I'm working my way through. So here I'm going to say 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So I'm going to say 5. Regroup my 1 to the top. All right, but here, this would actually be what? 4 times 30. 4 times 30 is 120, which I did 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So I'm actually doing my adding as I'm doing my multiplying. So I have 120. Now I'm going to do my next number. 4 times 9 is 36, but I have a 1 up here at the top, so I have to add it. 36 plus 1 is 37. So my answer is 37,056. All right, so we're going to, so we had 37 here, right? Because we said 9 times 4 is 36 plus 1 is 37. Now we're going to move over here where we're comparing how we would be doing partial product. So now I'm going to say 4 times 9, which is the same thing as saying 4 times 900, right? 4 times 900, 4 times 9 is 36, right? But I have 2 zeros, so I have 3,600, and then I'm going to add. 6 plus 0 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus 6 is 7. And then I just bring down my 3. I still end up with the same answer. So this would be partial product. And this would be standard algorithm.